let's find the values of these antilog using the antilog table. Solution. For the first number, we are given 1.7283. And we know that this decimal part is what we have to check in the antilog table. That is, we'll be checking 72 under 8 difference 3. So the decimal part gives 72 under 8. You would have 5346, then plus a difference under 3. The difference under 3 gives us 4, so we add it up, and that gives us 5350. So therefore the antilog of 1.7283 becomes equal to this value, 5350. Now the integer part of the number, that is this one, tells us where the decimal place is going to be. Since we have 1 here, that means the decimal place is going to be after the first 2 digits, 1, 2. So the value gives us 53.50, which we can also call 53.5. The second example, we have 3.7283. Here we already know that under the antilog table, when we check 72 under 8 difference 3, we have 5350. So here we just go straight to it. Antilog of 3.7283 becomes equal to 5350. Now here, this integer part, this 3, determines where the decimal place is going to be. Since we have 3 here, that means the decimal point is going to be after the first 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number is going to be here, and we can add up 0, 0 here, which is the same thing as having just 5,350. And that gives us our final answer. Thank you.